Airdog MOI Humidifier Cleaning Instructions. Lift the top cover and remove the filter and the filter tank in the indicated order. Separate the filter from the filter holder. Use the tweezer located at the bottom of the water tank to remove the impeller beneath the upper cover. Separate the pre-filter from the water tank. Remove the float cover from the water tank, then take out the float. Wash the filter with dish soap. Rinse the filter holder with clean water. Rinse the filter tank with clean water while wiping it with a damp cloth. Use a brush to gently clean the pre-filter, then rinse it with water. Rinse the upper cover, impeller, float, and float cover with clean water while wiping each piece with a damp cloth. Rinse the water tank with clean water while wiping it with a damp cloth. If the electrolytic module is dirty, clean it with citric acid or white vinegar. Ensure all filters are completely dry. Place them flat on the ground outdoors to air dry. Do not hang them on a clothes rack. Reinstall the pre-filter, impeller, and upper cover as instructed. Insert the filter back into the filter holder as instructed. Align the filter tank with the locking slots on the water tank and install it back in place. Align the locking slots on the filter holder with the filter tank and reinstall it. Align the top cover with the locking slots on the water tank and close it securely. There you have it! Your MOI is completely clean and ready to get back to work for you.